Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Veronica and I'm a big lover of makeup, so if you want to see more reviews, looks and more fun videos, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video we are talking about my empties, so if you are curious about that, please keep on watching. So for today I actually did film this video. It should be already live. It is a short and I don't have any lashes on, so this smoky eye looks a bit wild, but it is what it is. I didn't want lashes today. So let's start with the empties. I am counting the money that I spend on these or the value of the products, because I'm sure that at some point these were cheaper or I got a discount, or if you are buying something from different websites it is a different price, and I am considering the prices that I can find in Romania, because that is totally different as well. So it's just an approximation. So let's just start. I have on the top the shampoo and conditioner from Olaplex. I really love this. This is the number 4 and the number 5 and they are amazing. I already repurchased the conditioner. The shampoo, this one I didn't repurchase because I am using the purple one right now, and I have some drugstore ones just to mix. One time I'm using the drugstore ones and one time I'm using the Olaplex, because I don't want to have my hair very gray. So yeah, these are amazing. I love them. I did repurchase them a bunch of times. Next I finished the Byoma Moisturizing Gel Cream, and I forgot to mention these are $30 each in Romania, and this one is $16, and I got this one from Sephora as well. I do really like this cream. It is a gel texture and it sinks into the skin pretty fast. It is hydrating. It has 3 ceramide complex, niacinamide and green tea. I really like it, but I just prefer the one that I have with hyaluronic acid. I prefer that one. Is from Zinc, and that one is just a bit better because it is in a squeeze tube, and I prefer that because I was struggling a bit to get all of this product out of this packaging. So that is just a bit cheaper per gram as well, so I just prefer that one for a hydrating cream. But this one is really nice. Then I finished a deodorant. This is my favorite one. It is the Dove Invisible Dry, and this is like $3, so really cheap as well. Then I have the Batiste Dry Shampoo, the Overnight Deep Cleanse. I love this one, and this is my second one, I think. I have another one in my backup drawer as well. I really like this one. I think it is one of my favorites. I love this one and the one that is with the tropical scent. Those two are my absolute favorite ones, and I love Batiste. I don't think I will try any other dry shampoo because Batiste has so many options, so many fragrances as well for a dry shampoo, and they have different ones. For example, this one is the deep cleanse, but they have the light cleanse as well if your hair is not that oily. Mine is very oily, so I need dry shampoo, and this one is an amazing one. I forgot to mention this retails for $5 and this one is $7. I really love Dove body washes, so I will continue to repurchase them. They are amazing, and again from the drugstore. Then I finished this one. This is the Garnier Micellar water and it retails for $7. I'm going pretty fast because these are all favorites and I did talk about them in multiple videos. I love this one with the yellow or gold writing. It is with argan oil and I love it. It's perfect for removing makeup. Then I have this one. I will be again very fast because I didn't even try this product and I don't think I put it on the list. I got this one from a friend, so it is like a gift. I didn't spend money on it and I didn't use it. It is unusable because I was about to talk about this one because the sprayer was broken and now it works, so I think I will keep it then and talk about it in a future video. I have no idea. I finished this one. This is the Garnier Fructis shampoo, and I think I have the conditioner. Yes, I have the conditioner as well from the same line. This both retails for $8 together. They are okay, not my favorite drugstore shampoos. The smell is not my favorite. I really like watermelon candy type of smell, and this is not it, so like I said, not my favorite. I prefer Sios shampoos and L'Oreal conditioners a lot more than these. Then I finished my favorite sugar body scrub. It is from Tutti Frutti and it is very affordable. This retails for $5, so it's amazing and the price is right. Apparently I finished another deodorant, so we have two in this video. I have my favorite sponge in here. It is the Move sponge. I did replace it. And my favorite lip oil, like I said, a bunch of favorites in this Empties, which is amazing. This retails for $19 and it is my favorite lip oil, so I will repurchase it very soon. Then I have some lashes in here. These are the Ardell Mega Volume. They look used because they are. They are a bit just too voluminous for what I like, because I prefer to cut my lashes in half and create a half lash, and with these it's a bit hard because they are so voluminous. These retails for $7. Then I have my favorite SPF in here and I cut it in half because I got a lot of product out of there. I already repurchased this one and I am almost done with the other one as well because I am using SPF every day. This retails for $11. I absolutely love it. Next I finished another bottle of this Niacinamide. I love it. I did repurchase it a bunch of times and this retails for $13. I have a sharpener in here from Essence. This was nice, very affordable, but now I have one from NYX and this one is not working anymore. And then I will declutter this brush. This retails for $16, but I had this one for multiple years and it is kind of destroyed, so I decided to retire it, but it is a really nice brush. Then I have some lashes. These are the style Indulge from Sosu by Suzanne Jackson, really good ones, and this retails for $7, so they are pretty affordable as well, which is amazing. Then I have another product that I did decide to not put on the pricing because it is a mini one and I got this one from Sephora for free. This is On the Wild Side day cream. Not my favorite one. It smells kinda fragrancy, which I don't like. It is like an older formula, very spreadable and kinda oily in a way. I don't love this one and I am sure that it is pretty expensive. Then I have a mascara in here. I decided to retire this one because it is pretty old. This is my favorite one from Sephora brand and it is a good mascara overall. It is the Size Up mascara and I really love the brush. This retails for $17 and I got this one with my gold card from Sephora, so that was amazing and I really like the mascara. It is a good one overall. And I have another mascara in here. It is my favorite one. This is the Rare Beauty one and this mini retails for $15. I did repurchase it a bunch. Then I have a hair oil and I don't know what was in my mind when I purchased this one. This retails for $24 and it is nice, but you need to apply the smallest amount because it is very heavy otherwise. And for my very thin and straight hair, this is not needed. I will not repurchase it and not buy any other kind of oil. But if you have very frizzy hair and you want something like this, just apply a small amount and it will look pretty good overall. Then I finished a brow pencil. This is from NYX and it retails for $6. I did repurchase it, of course. It is my absolute favorite one. And then literally yesterday I finished this one. This is the Ordinary Multi-Peptide Lash and Brow Serum. This retails for $16 and I do like it. I do like it mostly on my brow hairs, but after a point it's not doing something anymore. So for the first 1 month and a half, let's say, you can see a difference, but after that it's just maintaining at maximum, so I will not repurchase it right now, but at some point if I feel like it again, because this is my second one, I will repurchase it. It is, in my opinion, a good option and it is a bit more affordable. Then I have my favorite eye cream in here. This retails for $9 and of course I did repurchase this one as well. And then lastly, another favorite, it is the Too Faced Fluff and Hold. This is my second one or my third one, but I have another one already open, and this retails for $28. It is a pricey one, but I love it. A lot of favorites in this video because I am trying my best to repurchase my favorites because I love them for a good reason. So this was actually everything. I was thinking that this video will take 1,000 years to film, but it did not, which is kind of great. I went kind of fast because, like I said, I had a bunch of favorites, but that is kind of nice. But let me tell you the price of everything in here because it is kind of insane. I want to mention that, like I said, this one is not included because I got it for free. I did include the mascara because it is a full size, and I did put the brush and everything because I use them for a long period of time, so I feel like it's not just a declutter or something like that. And the total for everything in here, it is $310. So that is amazing. Like I said, I am happy that even though I'm spending a lot of money, at least I'm using up these products. So this was everything. If you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.